Marco Dominic Gonzalez, July 10th, 2014, 08:24 a.m. So I said something on a couple of my videos yesterday and the day before when I'm getting clarity on what's going on, and again trying to get people to wake up to do the right thing. So I had a question because I was talking about the dinosaur and what the dinosaur represents and that type of thing. Now, what I wanted when I woke up was a confirmation on what I said, meaning in nature, specifically the dinosaur. Now, those of you who've watched my videos, you remember when I now this is dried now. This is on my altar of the North and South Pole. You can see it's dried, and those symbols, you can barely see them. So I'm going to put water on them right now. And then we'll talk about what happened today. So you can see these symbols. And again, I interpreted it because I'm the artist, but again, I want confirmation. As the dinosaur. Now, the exact same symbol appeared today, and it was very normal. I had only in the beginning and the end was there any supernature involved in the sky. Other than that, it's very beautiful. Had a normal experience, except for the beginning and the end. Okay, you can you can kind of show through. Now, put water on that, and you can see the dinosaur. I know you can also see the symbols that I put. There's a cross on that dinosaur, is like like an X, or a cross, or a target. You can see that. And you can compare that also to when I first put up this symbol. I also took pictures of this one. So I want to go through what happened today. This is back on my altar of the poles, North and South Pole. What happened? I woke up around 3 in the morning, and I just, for some reason, I wanted to go outside, and I just got my water, and I went immediately outside. Now, the whole sky was very gray clouds. I mean, it's dark. And there's only one illuminated cloud where the sun falls. Exactly where the sun falls is in an illuminated cloud. Everything else is gray and I'm talking bright, man. In just kind of a flat, you know, a little puffy, but you know, like a line, like a dash. So I said to myself, okay, I'm gonna see what happens with this. I'm just gonna go brush my teeth, and then after I brush my teeth, and I'm gonna prepare myself. I want to sit outside in the dark, and it'll be something with an illuminated cloud. Now I wanted this illuminated cloud because that's the only one in the sky. Everything else is very dark gray, and it's very dark outside. So I come inside, I brush my teeth, I get ready, you know, maybe 45 minutes late, I don't know. I mean, after 4 o'clock, that I actually go outside. I start preparing, you know, I put my coffee, my water, and the bug spray I'm spraying on myself. I notice when I first walk out that the sky is clear, I can see the stars. And when I actually start to place all the items on my bench and the thing, the clouds are starting to come over. So I'm like, oh, and the illuminated cloud's gone. It's just gray clouds. And I can see the stars. So when I actually sit to look into my window, clouds are covering the whole window. And there's spots of where there's an open, where you can see the stars. Specifically where I was looking at on the other 2 experiences that I put on video. There's like patches where I can see the stars, and I started a trance by the tree on a very bright star. And then I'm looking for the illuminated cloud. It's gone. It's just regular clouds, and it's gray, and there's nothing supernatural. It's just normal gray clouds. It's dark, and that's it. But again, I'm dealing with an illuminated cloud. I hadn't drinking my coffee yet, so and this is where the supernature happened.